It's so nice to see you again, my friend. You just share with us your story of Seating Matters. What was your aha moment? What was the situation when you obviously took over, and share what you did looking at Paul's video 20 times that night. Okay.
Yeah, very good. Thank you. Thanks for having me. And hello to everyone. I'm Ryan Tierney from Seating Matters. We're from Northern Ireland. We manufacture specialist seating for hospitals and nursing homes. I'll just keep this really short. We'll go back 5 years. 5 years ago, our business was really struggling. Orders were going out late. Our staff turnover was through the roof. We had loads of defects. The place was really dark and gloomy, and it really wasn't a nice environment for working in. And I went home one night and I got my iPad and I was sitting at my kitchen table and I said, there has to be a better way. There has to be a better way. And I just started typing into YouTube how to run a factory, how to organize a factory. And lo and behold, Paul Akers came up on YouTube. And I'm not exaggerating, and I've told Richard and Paul and Mark this story a few times. I actually sat up all night and watched the videos all night. I didn't go to bed that night. This was just a light bulb moment for me, and I just couldn't believe that a company could operate like FastCap. I was totally blown away, and it just lit a fire in me that has never went out, and that's coming up on 5 years. So I think it takes this passion, it takes the leader at the top, and I'm going to cut straight to it. If the leader or high-level management doesn't get this, I'm sorry, but it probably won't work. And I'm going to be very direct and very honest when I say that, because it is hard work. It's really hard work. So back 5 years ago, I came in the next day and I said, everyone, we have to watch this video. It's 2 second lane, Paul Akers, we're going to do this. And I just made a decision. And I remember Paul Akers telling me that the meaning behind decision is to cut off. And from that moment on, I said, we're not working in the past. This is our new direction. And 2 second lane totally transformed our company. I just can't explain on this call how much of a transformation it has been. But we've had over 200 companies through our facility to see what we're doing. We've had people from all over the world coming to see how we've transformed our company. And it's all down to the teachings of Paul Akers, and I'll be eternally grateful for the teachings of 2 second lane.